This video is about creating a data table. First, make sure that you enter labels for each of your columns, including units. Now note that when you are trying to graph data, you cannot include letters in with the data. So for example, 200 is 200 feet, but if I was to put in 200 feet with that word in that particular cell, I would be unable to graph it. So I'm going to put the units in with the labels and leave the units out of the data itself. Now, it may be that I'm interested in changing the precision of the number that is shown in my Excel file. So I can click on the column and then go over here in the number section. This is under the Home tab, number section. I can increase or decrease the number of decimal places. Now I can also change from just a number to scientific notation, or fractions or percentages. In this particular case, we might be interested in scientific notation, and it gives all of my numbers in scientific notation, at which point I can again increase the number of decimal places, or which it doesn't show on for me, or decrease the number. Now the last thing that I might be interested in changing, I'll change back to number first because I find it difficult to read. The last thing that I might be interested in changing is the column width. In this particular case, if I was to turn this in, it would look as if I had not included units with my distance, whereas I actually have. So if I select on that entire column and move the cursor in between A and B, I see that the cursor changes shape. At this point, I can double click and my column widens to be able to fit all of that label. I could also come over to the next one, double click, and actually see it shortens because I had too much space.